Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. Today we are going to be showing you a bunch of alternatives that I made with the world's greatest August 2020 paper pumpkin. So we're going to go ahead and get started. What we're going to do first is recap what the cards look like that the kit made. So these are the 3 cards that the kit made. This is a shaker, and I do have a video on how I did that. I'll link that below so you can see that if you want to see the unboxing and how to put the kit together the way it was intended. Okay, and then on Monday I shared a tri-panel puzzle card, and I actually made a whole nother set. So I made 2 of each design. So that's the first one here. I think these are absolutely gorgeous. Then this is the second one, and I did go ahead and do some stamping on this. It says "You're the best," and then this is number 1, and both of those sentiments come out of the stamp set that comes with the paper pumpkin. And let me show you that. That's what the stamp set looks like. It's a photopolymer stamp. It does not come in this case. You can purchase these cases in our Stampin' Up! Catalog, and the insert is a download, and I'll have that download on my blog. So if you want to head over to www.honeybeestampinghive.com, you can download the insert for your case for your stamp set. Okay. And then the last card that we made with that design is this one. And I changed it up a little bit, and I went ahead and embossed this, but I wasn't thinking it, and I embossed this layer first, and then I put it through the machine again and die cut it. So it flattened out most of my embossing, but you can still see it, and it adds some dimension to the card still. Okay, and then on Wednesday, I shared the Sunburst card with you, and I did it, and I told you I probably would make another one, and I did. And this one goes this way in the landscape mode, and I used one of our circle scallop dies to cut it out instead of fussy cutting it, and both ways are nice. It just depends on if you want a lot of white or no. That's all. But that's that card, and I have a bunch more. I made this one using some scraps from the actually from the Sunburst card. I cut when I had to trim around it. I used the scraps to make this one. And in the background, it says "Birthday wishes for you today," and then you see all this confetti and candy. That comes from the stamp set from the August to December mini 2020 holiday, not holiday catalog. It used to be holiday, but it's the little treat stamp set. So I used the birthday greeting there and this one. So that's how I made that one. And of course, those are the stitched rectangle dies to cut everything out. Then we made this one. This one is on a soft suede card base. This is the insert that came for the middle of the shaker card, and the pop out for the middle was the Pacific Point circle that was used on a lot of the cards, and I just embossed it with the Tiny Diamonds, I think it's called. I can't remember the name of that folder, but I think it was Tiny Diamonds or something like that. And I just popped it up, stamped the medallion. Yep, that's it. Added a couple of sequence stars and called it a day. And our next one is a trophy card. I love these colors. I didn't do the inside of all of the cards, but this one is World's Greatest Friend, You Deserve a Medal. And then I just popped this trophy up and put some of the ribbon that came in the kit. The card, I had cut one of the card bases in half and used that as a front. Yep. This is another card that used a bunch of scraps, and I used that frame again that came out of the middle of the shaker, and I also used this stamp set again, and I did the marker to stamp technique where I colored the stamp with my Stampin' Right markers so that I can get each thing different colors. But I thought this was cute. I just filled it with some scraps in the opening of that circle. And I tried to stick with the colors that were in the kit. So this is another card. This is a card that came in the kit. And I just stamped them, the little rosette all over it in soft suede. This was a card front, and I cut it down just to have it on here. And I like these colors together. That's really pretty. Then I use that same card front again. Well, not card front, but, well, this is the card front and this same layer again, just to make a different design. And as you can see, this one is layered on mint macaron. This one was layered on the bumblebee. So they look pretty different. Then I added some of the foliage that came in the kit in the vellum. And I don't know if you can see it, but it does have Wink of Stella on there, and it's really glimmery in person. Then we have a Christmas card that I, again, used the little treat stamp set. I used this stamp, this one in the hat, and the little baubles here. So it's a shaker card. So I used that frame from the shakers to make another shaker. And the sequence that's on the inside, that's in our mini catalog as well. And this is the Snowflake Sequence. Okay. And I don't know if you can see, but I stamped the little hat on the background on the Pacific Point. And I did the direct to stamp to marker to stamp again to get the different colors on that image. That's our shaker, our Christmas card. This one was a little simple, number one friend. I had a little scrap here and I just bordered it with some gold. Thought that was cute. Then I made another shaker card and I put the trophy on the front and I backed it with some of the 6x6 Playing with Patterns Designer Series paper. I just thought this was so pretty. I wanted it to kind of be like all of the stars were dropping out of the trophy. I thought that was cute. Then our last card is another shaker. And I used some of the stitched triangle dies to make it like a little pennant banner. And I used some of the textured touches. What is it called? Let me check. In Good Taste. In Good Taste Designer Series paper for the backing on this. And then the banner came from, I think it was the same. Where did that banner come from? I'll list it on my blog because I don't remember where I got the banner from. But yeah, those are all of my cards that I made for alternative projects. I made a lot. I'll list how many because I don't really know. But before I go, I wanted to remind you that you still have time to sign up for the Paper Pumpkin for September. This is a fall theme paper pumpkin kit, and it does have Thanksgiving, Halloween, and just plain old autumn leaves and everything else, you know, just for the fall, okay? The link for that to sign up for Paper Pumpkin is below the video in the description. So don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.